intelligence, memory, and perception. In the wild, they use the skill to find food, shelter, and a place to nest. Now, these birds are given to feast on fruits, nuts, seeds, salts, and minerals along their riverbanks. There we go, intelligent, right? A round of applause for our baby Pakala and it. Now let's call in our psychic bird, Goldie. So do you think Goldie can find the hidden object? If it's a yes, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie!
You can do it!
Alright, Goldie, find us the hidden object. Now Goldie searching, scanning each cup, using her psychic powers.
Wow!
For our second bird, Goldie. So earlier you met our parents, now let me introduce our three lovely cockatoos. Now around the world, there are 21 different species of cockatoos, but we're about to show you three of them here in Cebu Ocean Park. So first we have our silver-crested cockatoo Tweety, next is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel, and lastly is Snow, our Malupian cockatoo. So once again, you guys will get an up-close and personal So our first name is our silver-crested cockatoo Tweety. Now these birds prefer their habitats along the edges of tropical and subtropical rainforest. Now you see these birds are primarily white with black beaks and a distinctive silver yellow crest. So this right here is their crest. Now Tweety also has white yellow underside wings. It is like is Cockatoo Galerita. Over here, which you names once again is our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. Now, umbrella cockatoos are known as the white cockatoos, or the great white crescent cockatoos. That is because of their holy white crest there that raises up like an umbrella. So once again, if you're to compare Tweety and Nigel, clearly you can see Tweety has a yellow crest, while Nigel has a pure white crest. Lastly, the trainer Andre up there is our Malupian cockatoo Snow. Now, Malupian cockatoos are endemic in the Sarang archipelago of eastern Indonesia. They're among the largest of the white cockatoo species. We also call them as the salmon-crested cockatoo. That is because of their pinkish white colored feathers. Now, Snow's scientific name is Cockatoa mollucensis. So in general, cockatoos will use their crest as a form of communication and indication of their mood, whether they're happy, frightened, threatened, or during mating. And as you can hear, cockatoos are very loud birds and they can mimic almost any sound. So we call that as a mimicry behavior. So Tweety and Nigel have a lifespan of up to 40 years old. Meanwhile, our Malupian cockatoo Snow over there can live up to 70 years old. And that is it for our three lovely cockatoos. Once again, we have our silver-crested cockatoo Tweety, our Malupian cockatoo Snow, and our umbrella cockatoo Nigel. Before we call in our math wizard, I'll be shuffling these numbers first. Five. So what's that, easy, Snow? Are you ready, Snow? Alright, give us the first number. Okay, so Snow picks number 2. Is the first number correct? Are you sure? Is the first number correct? Alright, so finish your answer.
Haha, ka-cute.
So 20 plus 5 equals
85.
So round of applause for our math wizard Snow. Alright, for our first raptor, let's call in our Gravity Kite Kingdom. Our scientific name is Haliastor indus. Now these birds can be found in the subcontinents of India, Southeast Asia, and Australia, where they are known as red-backed sea eagles. Meanwhile, here in the Philippines, we know them as lawits or bandog in the Visayan region.
Wow.
Now these birds prefer their habitats on the wetlands such as mangrove forests, estuaries, and coastal areas. So familiar na siya bird guys, siya na bird sa TV show ni Kuya Kim na Batang Lawi. Also, you may notice our trainer right there are wearing gloves. Those are called falcon wing gauntlets. This protect their arms from the sharp beaks and talons of our raptors. That's it for our Gravity Kite Kingdom. Now the world of birds of prey. Now the Philippine serpent eagle is endemic in the major islands of the Philippine archipelago, usually residing on open woodlands and forests. Now they are distinguishable from other serpent eagle species. That is because of the well-defined spots that can be found all over their feathers. Now they are called Philippine serpent eagles. That is because of their diet, which mainly consists of rodents, small birds, and even snakes. Our very scientific name is Philornis molluscus. So don't be confused between the Philippine eagle and the Philippine serpent eagle. Generally, the Philippine eagle is 3 times larger and has a longer wingspan. Pigeons have an ability which allows them to fly back to their nest and mate. It is called magnetoreception. It allows them to use the Earth's magnetic field to detect altitude, rotation, and direction. That's it for our flying birds and our roaming pigeons.
Nalawahin.
Let's go zoom. So unfortunately, a lot of animals today are struggling because of pollution and improper waste management. So always remember to reduce waste, reuse plastics, and recycle everything we can. Because no matter how small our effort, let's do our part to protect this one and only world. Because remember, this is the only home that we have. Yes. Let's go zoom. So unfortunately, a lot of animals today are struggling because of pollution and improper waste management. So always remember to reduce waste, reuse plastics, and recycle everything we can. Because no matter how small our effort, let's do our part to protect this one and only world. Because remember, this is the only home that we have.